Okay, so let's talk about how to use ChatGPT to create awesome Facebook static ads. I find it really easy to use a competitor or a reference image. So that's what this example is going to be. I usually eat oats every morning for breakfast. So I just found this other brand that's Canadian called Hollis, where they make overnight oats. And I just thought we'd make a fictional ad as a competitor to them called Tasty Oats. So this brand isn't real, but I just wanted to show you guys what it can look like. Let's get into it. Okay, so I have ChatGPT 4.0 open. So you need to have a paid version. So I'm using the $20 a month individual version, and then that's what you need. So I have the prompt already set up here. So I think you have to get as detailed as possible. I put a reference image asking it to generate a new image for my brand, Tasty Oats, add my brand name, add all this stuff, but the protein, fiber that comes in flavors. So you have to get really good at prompting. Honestly, I'm not that good at it. Like I've just been playing around. This might not turn out that good, but it's a good starting point. So you need someone to really be descriptive and then have a vision of what you really want. And then it makes it a lot easier, but this will be a bit more generic. So let's just see what happens. So yeah, this was a reference image I put. It takes a few minutes for it to generate. So I'll probably speed this up in the video so that you guys don't have to wait, but it is slowly generating it. Okay, it's happening pretty quickly. Okay, so it's starting to generate the new image, which is quite cool. Already it's switched up the text from the top. Sorry, it's the same. Introducing a new morning ritual, added the highlights that I talked about. And yeah, wow, look at that. Added my brand name on it. This isn't perfect, but it's way better than any of the other AI images that I've seen. But you can obviously iterate on this and just be like, edit this, same. So yeah, you can keep iterating on it to make it better. So let's see what this thing. Nice. Okay, so I feel like this looks way better, at least to me. But yeah, you can even customize this further, maybe add like a different overlay or something. But it's pretty amazing that you can make ads like this so quick. But yeah, that's it.